In this quick Viber tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Viber notification settings so you can customize message alerts, sounds, and other notifications. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Now, tap the More tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings, then tap on Notifications. Here, you can customize different notification options for your Viber account. You can turn message notifications on or off, enable or disable preview messages, change the notification sound, and adjust vibration settings, depending on your device. If you prefer fewer interruptions, you can also disable certain notification types while keeping important alerts enabled. After making your changes, they'll be saved automatically, so you can exit the settings at any time. And that's it. Now you know how to change notification settings on Viber to match your preferences. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick Viber tips, settings, and how-to tutorials.